Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the creation fruit is active and equipped. This ensures the move reads correctly. Once set, move to roughly 3 to 6 meters from your target so the initial construct spawns in front of you. Next, press your Probound F hotkey to trigger the first animation. Hold it briefly if your client supports charge timing. You do this because precise spacing and immediate input avoid misfires and cancel windows, making the chain reliable for follow-ups. Once the initial hit connects, you must time the follow-up quickly. Aim for a 0, 4 to 0, 6-second window to keep the combo active. At the same time, use a directional input, left, right, or forward, to bias the created constructs toward the opponent's movement because angle control changes hit probability and zoning. Make sure you also watch resource meters so you don't get mid-cast interrupted. Conserve a small buffer to guarantee the full sequence. Execute smoothly and predictably. To finish, hold the F input slightly longer for the charged release. This expands area and amplifies damage. After the release, step back and reset your stance to avoid immediate counters, because repositioning protects you while cooldowns reset. If the move misfires or an enemy stun interrupts you, perform a cancel by dodging out of the animation and wait roughly 0.8 seconds before re-engaging. This clears lingering cast locks and restores predictable timing, so you can retry with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.